So in this question it says an automobile driver increases the speed at a constant rate from 25 km per hour to 55 km per hour in 0.50 minute. A bicycle rider speeds up at a constant rate from rest to 30 km per hour in 0.50 minute. What are the magnitudes of first the driver's acceleration and second the rider's acceleration? So here two parties are getting discussed. So first is driver, second one is the rider. Now let me write what all has been given. So given for the driver it's given the initial velocity as 25 km per hour. If we want to convert it into meter per second, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18, which will give us the value of 6.94 meter per second. The final velocity similarly 55 km per hour. We can again convert it in meter per second, which will give us a value of 15.28 meter per second. Now a similar thing we have to do for rider. For rider, the speed that initial speed that has been given is 0 km per hour, and in meter per second also it's still 0. The final velocity has been given as 30 km per hour, which if we want to convert it into meter per second, again we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So this will give us a value of 8.33 meter per second. Now acceleration for driver, if we have to find out, we know it's nothing but v minus u by t, and here in this question it has been given that the time taken for the automobile driver is 0.50 minute, right? If we convert it into seconds, it's basically half of minute is basically 30 seconds, so we'll mention 30 seconds here. So if we write v minus u by t, it's 15.28 minus 6.94 by 30, right? Similarly, if we have to write acceleration for the rider, we know for the rider it's saying its speed has been increased from the rest to 30 km per hour in 0.50 minute. Again it's equal to 30 seconds. So acceleration for rider v minus u by t, here v is 8.33, initial velocity of rider is 0, and time as here it is given 0.50 minute, so we will be writing as 30 seconds. So the final value that we will get for rider is 0.278 meter per second square, and same for driver, it will give us a value of 8.33 by 30, which will again will be equal to 0.278 meter per second square. I think we'll get the same value at both the place. So that will be our final answer.